Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to set up fingerprint or face unlock on Android. If you want to set up fingerprint or face unlock, so you just need to follow these steps. First, open your mobile settings app and here just scroll down and look for security. Here's that, just tap on it. Now scroll down again and here you'll get the option of fingerprint. Just tap on it and here you have to enter your pin or pattern. So now here you just have to select the option of add fingerprint. Just tap on it, then tap on start enrollment, and here you just have to enroll your fingerprint on your fingerprint sensor. As you can see, I have done. Now tap on done, and now I have successfully selected my fingerprint. Now go back and here you have the second option of face. Just tap on it and then enter your pin or pattern. Now tap on next again and here you just have to select start enrollment and after that you can set your face unlock on your phone. So that's how you can set up fingerprint and face unlock on your Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.